Have you ever driven at night and felt like you could barely see? It's not just your headlights. Sometimes it's your windshield. Hard water spots, scratches, and years of grime can make your view dangerously unclear. Today, I'm going to show you how to safely and effectively restore your windshield at home. All right, here's the car we're working on today. Take a look at that windshield. Scratched, hazy, blinding glare at night. It may not look broken, but it's definitely not safe. Let's fix that. Here's what you'll need: a dual action or rotary polisher, a felt pad or glass polishing pad, cerium oxide or a dedicated glass polishing compound, painter's tape, microfiber towels, and a spray bottle with water or glass cleaner. Before polishing, the glass needs to be cleaned properly. Jumping straight into polishing without wiping off dust or grime can actually cause more scratches, not remove them. It may seem like a small step, but it makes a big difference in the final result. Important tips when polishing glass: use the right compound. Only glass polish. Go light on pressure. Work in small sections. Keep the pad flat. Clean the pad often. Avoid polishing in direct sunlight. Polish only if needed. After polishing, you'll notice better visibility, especially in low light or rain. Headlight glare is reduced, and water slides off more easily if you apply a nano coating afterward. With just a few tools and a little time, you can restore your windshield and make night driving much safer. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips,